What's up, everybody? Today I just got through installing my tail tidy on the KLE 500 along with some flush mounted turn signals and Skene brake lighting. Let's see how it looks. So those are the flickering conspicuously lights. That way people see you even when the brake light's not on. And then you get a bright strobe and flash when you tap the brake, whether it's the front or the rear. So hopefully it keeps somebody from running into the back of me. I have it on all my bikes for the last couple of years, so seem to work good. Don't have any issues with them, but I do think it looks pretty sweet with the tail tidy. A lot more simple. So yeah, here we go.